morning, everybody. So this is our last video that I'm going to be making. It's the last math lesson you will be doing. Since next week we are not doing any curriculum activities. We're doing more fun kindness activities. So let's start off with our academic language. So we have polygons. Those are shapes that are closed and have no overlapping lines. Okay, you should have learned this in 2nd grade. It's kind of been a while. So polygons is just a fancier way to say shapes that are closed. They're not open and have no overlapping lines. Quadrilaterals, those are polygons or shapes that are closed and have no overlapping lines with 4 sides. Quad, if you ever I'm gonna go ride a quad. They have 4 wheels. Quad means 4, so that's 4 sides. And then we have attributes. Attributes are like characteristics or properties of an object or a person. So it's things that they have, like 4 sides, 4 right angles. So those are attributes. And then you are going to be seeing the word parallel. And that just means that lines don't cross and they're slanted. So I'm going to draw some parallel lines. So these are parallel lines, okay? They're slanted a bit and they're not going to cross. If this line keeps going, if this line keeps going, they're never going to meet or cross over, okay? So those are parallel lines. These could also be parallel lines. Okay, again, they go and go and go and go. They're not going to cross or meet, and then they're slanted. Okay. All right, so parallel. Then you have right angles. All that means is that the edge or the point is really sharp, and usually when you have right edges or right angles, you can tell by this little, there's like a little half circle in the corner. That means it is 90 degrees, or it's very sharp. It's a very sharp angle. Okay, it's like this. So that's a right angle. Okay. All right. So in this lesson, you're just going to be looking at different polygons or looking at different shapes and telling me, does it have 3 sides? Does it have 4 sides? Does it have 4 right angles? What you need to know is that you're gonna have to draw these shapes. Now you guys have pictures on the next slide, on the 2nd slide of your problem set, that you can choose from, and they're labeled. So if I were to draw a polygon with a set, that means 1, of parallel sides. Okay, that means that it needs to have 1 set of parallel sides, so just 2 parallel sides. All right, so we go like this. So I'm going to do, this is not parallel because they're not diagonal, but these ones right here are parallel. Okay, they're slanted, they're sideways. They are sideways. Okay, this is parallel, this is parallel. These are straight, so these are not parallel, they're just straight. Okay, these are parallel. All right, so that was my polygon with 1 set of parallel lines. What if it said 4 right angles? Polygon with 4 right angles. It could also say quadrilateral with 4 right angles because it means 4 sides. So I'm going to draw. When you draw right angles, you have to make sure that the point is very sharp. It's not crooked. And if you want, you can make little half circles in those points because that means there's 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a polygon with 4 right angles. Okay, and what if it said a polygon you have to draw a polygon with 3 sides. Well, again, polygon is just a fancy word for shape that doesn't overlap in the lines and it's closed. So this is a polygon. It's a triangle. It has 3 sides. Okay, what's not a polygon, and I'm gonna show you what's not a polygon. So this means it's not a polygon. I'm gonna draw some non-examples. So a circle is not a polygon. Okay. Well, I mean, it could be. Never mind. You know what? Circle is a polygon. Let's strike that. Polygon. All right. And then this is not a polygon, and I will explain why. Okay. These lines overlap. Okay, so it's like I have an extra piece of a line. That is not a polygon. Polygons don't have, they are not overlapping sides, and they also are closed. What I mean by closed is if I have a polygon, and again, polygon just means shape, so I can make it kind of like a weird shape. If it's open like that and it's not closed, that's not a polygon. Okay, it's not a polygon. All right, so that was the gist of the lesson. Again, this is, you're just drawing. So on the problem set, you're just gonna draw the shapes that have the attributes, what they want you to draw. So like 4 right angles or polygons with 4 sides. On the second slide of your problem set, you will have examples of those type of polygons. All right, so I will show you on Kami.